Hi everyone. Which one of the big box stores has the best selection and the best prices on seeds? That's what we're going to go over right now. We're going to go to 6 different stores today to see what they got. There's going to be the Dollar Tree, Marden's, Lowe's, Walmart, Home Depot, and Ocean State job lots. So come join me and let's get going. Okay, the first store I'm going to go into is the dollar store. Woohoo! Let's get going. Okay, so I'm in the dollar store, which I should probably call the $1.25 store. Inflation, and this is what I found in here. They have one little kiosk of seeds. However, look at this, 4 for $1.25. Okay, and right away, you know what I gravitated towards is the jalapenos. Spanish variety. Looks like a nice big one, so I'm going to be getting some of those, looking around. But they've got like I said, quite a few different ones. As everything is leaning forward, but you'll be able to see over here it's mostly flowers. So $1.25. That's a good find. Let's move on. Next store on the list is Marden's. Let's see what kind of treasures we'll find in here. Okay, here's the seed section for Marden's. And it looks like they have one display, and it's for fairy morse seeds. Let's go on this side here to start. Looks like these are all the veggies. And oh, look at this, fairy morse seeds, 50% off all the seeds. You can see on the left the normal prices and the Marden prices. So remember, come buy them here before you have to say, I should have bought it when I saw it at Marden's. Okay, what do they have? Beans and carrots and cucumbers and tomatoes. So pretty much everything you would need. Corn, and they have some flowers at the top. More greens. So they got a good little selection here. This is mostly your flowers over here, and more veggies down there. And over here we got flowers again going down, and melons. So small selection, but some nice prices at 50% off. Okay, let's move on. So here I am going to one of the neighboring towns, Sanford, so we can go to the Home Depot and Tractor Supply. And as you can see, it's a beautiful, balmy, snowy day outside. Great for bikinis and swimming. It is 12 degrees, so it's warmed up 1 degree since we've been going. It was supposed to snow this afternoon, but this looks like the beginning of a blizzard, folks. Woohoo! Now it's time to go to Lowe's to see what kind of deals we can find here. So here's what we have for seeds at Lowe's. We have the fairy morse seeds here, and look at that. Fairy morse bamboo modern indoor LED grow house. Isn't that interesting? We have all the flower seeds, sunflowers, and vegetables. Let's see, in comparison, we're looking at seeds at the other stores. Here's some fairy morse organic, and these are $2.99. More vegetables. Around this side, the end cap. These are a little bit bigger. You can see like the sunflower seeds are a lot bigger seeds for $5.99, but you're getting quite a few. And down over here, more veggies, organic. Pumpkins, beans. There's the corns. Ooh. I'm always a big one on strawberries. So easy, strawberry seeds. You know, I think I might get one of these. I could start them early and have some there. So this is the selection that they have for seeds at Lowe's. Now it's time to see what we can find at Walmart. The first thing I see is the American seeds. Small little display here, but they're 50 cents each. But they do have more, so going out here on the other side, here we got some display of burpee. They have them marked over there. These are all $1.96. That's pretty good. These also are the $1.96 seeds. And you get greens and wow, look at the size of this tomato. What's this thing? Burpee's Super Steak Hybrid. That's big. Basil. These are mostly flowers here. And over here, peas. So these are a lot of the basic seeds. These here are for $2.46 on this side, but they have it clearly marked. And oh, look at this here. Another big display. Those on the end, those are the big bags. They're $3.74. They're also Fairy Morse. Flowers, corn. So if you're going to be planting a lot, this is going to be a good deal for you. Coming over here, again the Fairy Morse here. So they've got quite a few with Fairy Morse and burpee here. So far, Walmart seems to be one of the largest selections, unless I find a bigger selection somewhere else. This is Sanford. I know in my benefit store, they actually have 2 aisles filled with these. I'll see if I could put maybe some pictures of how many they have. So it's well worth going to Walmart. These are $2.46. And then on this side, again, Fairy Morse. This is interesting. Have any of you ever tried these? It says, let's see, hot pepper. These are jalapenos, but it says 2 times bigger. They look longer. It says they're nacho, super nacho jalapenos. Huh. I like to stuff my jalapenos, so I like the big ones like that, the fat ones. So I don't know how those would be. So I mentioned a few moments ago about how my home store has so many more seeds. So when I went into the store, here they are. I saw this normal size display. It's still kind of early in the season, so I was pretty impressed until I went around this corner. And it was like, whoa, look at all the seeds over here and all the gardening equipment, a whole side of an aisle. And then I saw the other side and it was like, whoa, jackpot. And now it's time to go in Home Depot to see what kind of fun things we can find there. And here we are at Home Depot Seeds. Oh, they have the Black Roots brand. It's actually not black, it's back to the roots. I didn't see the to the. That's a problem about filming these things without your reading glasses. So they have the same ones at the same brand at Walmart, I noticed. So they've got quite a few of those. Those are $2.98 each. Then we got Fairy Morse. They got quite a nice selection of Fairy Morses here. And in comparison, these are $2.49. They got flowers at the top and veggies here. Watermelons. I haven't done watermelons in a long time. Maybe I should consider doing some watermelons this year. And bee's nest. I don't know what this thing is. Birdhouse. Okay, isn't that interesting? If I was a bird, I don't know if I'd live in there. I'd probably be afraid I'd come home and there'd be bees in it. And here we have more of the fairy moss hiding. Let's see down over here. And these are the 149 variety. And oh, look at all the housing. Free housing, huh? Wow. Should put a little for rent sign. Actually, you know, there's so many birds flying up around here. One was a kamikaze, almost got me coming in. And these are all $2.79 and what is it, $1.99s. So that's it for the seeds in Home Depot. Again, remember, this is being taken in the beginning of February. So a lot of these stores will be getting more as it goes. Ooh, Reluca is helping me find a home. Oh, look at so cute. Yeah, there was one similar to that over here. I was telling them this one here looks like it's a bee's nest, you know, but if you see the opening, the birds can go in, but what if they come home and there's hornets in there or something? Ah, get out of here! Okay, well, let's move on. I don't know if you can see up here, but there's some of the birds we're talking about. There's one right over there. I can't point out, my finger's too big because I enlarged the camera. A couple of them over there, so they're all kind of, let me make this smaller, you'll probably see them flying, because I can see them flying all over the place as I'm coming closer. Whoops, there's another one over there, one way up on the top there. There's probably about, you can't see them, but there's about 15 birds there. But then again, if I was a bird, let's see, right up top, see that, the highest peak? If I was a bird, I'd want to stay there too. Why? It's like having your open refrigerator down here with all the seeds. They don't even have to go to the feeders, just all the seeds are right there. Smorgasbord. Enjoy, birds. Look at that, there's one hiding in the corner over there, see him? Here we are at Ocean State Job Lots, and a nice little selection of seeds. Starting over here, we got the burpee. Quite a few of those are the 199s. Look at the prices right here. So, yeah, it's quite a bit off, 40% off all their seeds. I was wondering how they're going to do this, since burpee has, and you know, all of them seem to have standard seed prices, but the store is the one that has the price they take so much off. But they have everything here from beans and cucumbers, tomatoes, radishes, a couple separate ones here. Again, 40% off all of these. Here they seem to have larger. So, oh, $7.99. So again, 40% off. And on this end, beans and peppers, tomatoes, carrots. So quite a good selection here. Look at that. All your herbs, flowers, and vegetables. What do we have on the end over here? Oops. More veggies. These are basically the $2.79 ones. And according to this, they're $1.67. So there we go. All right, so here's my assessment after going to all these stores and comparing what they had. Are you ready? Hey, and did I have fun? Yeah, look what I ended up coming back with. I bought all kinds of seeds, and I bought some potting soil, and I bought I got all kinds of things that I'll show you in another video. All right, here we go. First, we're going to go with the best selection. Okay, so who had the most seeds? Number one was Walmart. Walmart had a huge selection. You saw that in the video, so they were hands down. Now, remember, this is the first week of February. So some of the places didn't even have seeds. I was also going to include Tractor Supply in here because they usually have lots of seeds, but he said they're not even getting theirs for another couple of weeks. And I know Home Depot and Lowe's go crazy with seeds and with plants. And later on in the season, I'll be going over there and showing you all the plants they have. We'll do a plant comparison with a lot of different places. So Walmart was number one. Number two was Ocean State Joplite. They had quite a few seeds. Who had the most variety, different types of seeds and different companies, I should say. Okay, Walmart had quite a big variety, which you saw, and they had Fairy Morse. They had Back to the Roots, which is a new brand I'm not familiar with. I'd love to hear what you guys think about them. They had Burpee, and they had the American seeds. And let's see, variety. Home Depot had quite a variety too. They had quite a bit, and like I said, more later on. Now, what the last part I did was prices. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so for prices, we got, of all stores, dollar store one. Okay, or actually, I used to call it the dollar store. It's now called the Dollar Tree, and I should call it the $1.25 tree. That tree is growing. It went up 25 cents for everything. So the $1.25 tree, we'll call it. Okay. And they had American seeds, and they had four for 125. So yeah, that was about the cheapest, four for 125. But that's pretty much all they had was the American seed. It was a very small display, but it was actually, I bought some. Most of these seeds that you saw, I got from there because of the price. So sometimes, bigger selection isn't always the first place you're going to buy. Let's see. Number two was Walmart. Okay, the least expensive, the ones they had there were 50 cents each. Were the same thing, American seeds, pretty much same company. So they had those for 50 cents, but Walmart also had all the other seeds, the Burpee and the this and the that, which I mentioned to you earlier. Number three was Marden's. Okay, Marden's pulled through with 50% off all and they had Fairy Morse seeds. Okay, so Fairy Morse, the seeds were priced like everybody of the store. They have their standard prices on the packages, but big sign saying 50% off. Ooh, so if you're going to be buying a lot of seeds, Marden's is a great place to go. And number four is Ocean State Job Lots. They had 40% off all seeds. Okay, so not as high as 50, but they had a much larger selection. So it was fun doing it. It's always fun searching out the seeds early in the year, getting ready to plant. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see other comparison videos like this, let me know. And I'd love to hear where you're getting your seeds. I had a comment before I started this. One gentleman telling me that he's been getting his from, that's probably where I get the name, the dollar store and online. And I've been hearing a lot of buzz from online from a lot of different companies. So that might be another video we could do. So anyways, I hope you're getting your seeds. I hope you're getting started. We have a lot more to come. So please subscribe. It's going to be a fun season. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.